guys, it's Nermit. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry for not posting. I know there's like literally no excuse I can come up with other than the fact that I was busy and I'm lazy, and those are not excuses. So yeah, apologies. I am back. I am in my car, of course. I'm eating an apple in lieu of today's video idea. So I filmed a social media cleanse challenge video about 2 weeks ago, and I did it for the entire week. So basically it was like not having social media for the entire week, but I thought about it and I think I'm at the point where I want to get rid of it completely, because I honestly just haven't been enjoying it and I barely use it anymore, so the time has come. That being said, I also have been eating so bad at college. I have so many projects to work on, and so I have been eating so crappy. I don't think I've eaten this bad since like high school probably. I got some real food yesterday from Costco. I'll show you guys kind of like the grocery haul that I did, but I got like multiple things that kind of helped me get back into the like groove of being healthy. I wanted to share that with you guys as well. So this is what I'm doing. In summary, we are doing a detox challenge, and it's going to be a part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is the one you're seeing today, and that one is going to be the physical detox, and then next week you guys are going to see the mental detox. Yeah, the mental detox. So let's roll the clips where you guys can see what I got from Costco, kind of to give you guys a couple of ideas on the snacks and like the kind of food I like to eat when I'm trying to eat healthy. So now that you guys have seen that, a couple of things to mention. The V8 that I got, V8 tends to have a lot of sodium in it, so if you can, get like a low sodium one, but I mix it with water. So I honestly just got that because I don't normally eat enough like leafy greens and stuff. So I also got like hemp seeds and flax seeds, not flax seeds, hemp seeds and chia seeds to put in like my smoothie. I do make a berry smoothie, which I was going to show you guys like what I do for that, but I think I've already shown it on this channel before, so I was like whatever. So I'll show you guys kind of how I make this breakfast oatmeal. That's what I had this morning. So pretty much in this oatmeal, I literally have like one of those oatmeal packs from Costco. Like I don't have an oatmeal box or anything just because I'm in college right now. I don't know. So I opened one of those packs, and I think the one I had was maple brown sugar. I filled the brim with like milk and then water as well, and I cooked it. And so I just do that on the stove for like 5 or so minutes, and it's like ready after that. And then on top of that, I sprinkled some of the hemp seeds and chia seeds as well. Obviously you guys can add whatever you want on oatmeal. It's so versatile in that way. Like if I would have had strawberries or something, I probably would have added that, but that's all I kind of had at the moment, so that's what I did on that, and it makes for a very healthy and scrumptious breakfast. So there you go. You guys saw I also got like baby carrots, apples. I'm eating the little pack of apples right now. Normally I would get like actual apples instead of pre-cut apples, but I know I'm not gonna cut it out here just because I'm just so lazy when it comes to being by myself in college. I know that's so bad, but I got these to make my life easier just so I can actually eat the apples, because I know I just won't end up eating it if I get whole apples. So yeah, I got that to snack on, and then I also got like a box of like mixed nuts. I got this like spinach, kale, red rice, brown rice, something like that. That brand is really good. If you guys have a Costco membership, go and get that one because it's really tasty. Literally you can just take it out of the microwave and do it, but I like to usually like mix the veggies and stuff like that. So that's what I did last night for dinner. I put some like baby corn and some frozen like I think it was like cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, and I think that's it, and it was so tasty. Who the fuck is whistling? Like I said, I've been eating really bad, and obviously to go with that, I have not worked out in well over a month. And if you guys know me, I like to work out a lot just to keep in shape and just in general, because otherwise it's like very inconsistent for me. I'll either be like a pig and eat like crap and not work out, or I'll be healthy. So I like to choose the latter, but obviously I haven't been doing that. So literally I climbed the stairs to my class and I'm out of breath already, and that's so bad. So I was like, okay, if I'm gonna do this detox, I need to do the workout part too, especially just because like my semester's coming to an end, and you guys know that if you work out and you release those endorphins and all that stuff, it actually helps you in terms of studying and stuff. Better sleep, better food is like good for your brain, all of that. So it's only beneficial. So I was like, this is the perfect time for me to get back on track, because I don't do this at home and I've been hella slacking off here. So I went to the gym yesterday for the first time. Woo! After like probably like a month and a half or 2 months, and I did 1 hour of straight up cardio. I burnt 500 calories, which was so cool, and it was a total of 5 miles, and the exercise I did was elliptical. So elliptical, or cross trainer some people call it as well. I did that for an hour straight. When I like need to get back into the workout stuff, for me, like since I usually like doing weights and all those exercises, I know I have to start with like just cardio just to get into it, because I'm starting from ground zero. So make sure when you guys like get into working out and stuff, if it's your first time or if you're going back after a long time, ease into it. Don't do too much. So for example, today I did 1 hour once again. Like for the first week, I think I'm just gonna do cardio. So I did 1 hour of treadmill. So I did like walk/run, more walking than running, but like increasing the incline every time. And so I did that for an hour, and then I went down a floor and I did abs for a little bit, which was so disgustingly painful. Oh my god. You can really tell if you're not fit when you do ab exercises. I also do have an app on my phone that I use if you guys want to try it out. It's really good, not sponsored, but it's called like Workout for Women or something like that, and they have these like mini workouts, and you can click on whichever one you want. So like if you want one for legs, if you want one for like butt or whatever, like there's all these different kinds, all these different levels as well, and they range from about like 8 minutes to like 15-17 minutes, and they have this Victoria's Secret one on there, and I love doing that one because it is hard, let me tell you. That being said, let's roll the clips of me working out and being shy to actually videotape right now.
Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. ready to blow me down. Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could drain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't wanna breathe out. Now my soul beats a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. In love with no doubt, and now I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow.
Alright, so now that you guys have seen all of that, I actually have to go to Starbucks. I'm gonna be meeting up with my friend to study. I wanted to show you guys what I get at Starbucks, so let's go. If you guys are someone like me who likes getting Starbucks a lot, there is a way to get a more healthier drink option. Recently, I've actually been getting the iced matcha green tea latte, and they don't put any sweetener in that, and I personally don't think you need it with the matcha green tea latte. And I will actually get that with soy milk and no whipped cream and no ice, just because I don't like ice in my Starbucks drink because they always put way too much, and I've asked for less ice before too, and they still put way too much. So can we discuss why it's November? It's freaking 90 degrees in Southern California. It's like a month till Christmas, and honestly, matcha helps me like stay awake. Like, it gives me that caffeine boost that I need. But with my iced vanilla latte with coconut milk, when I get that, I have to pee like crazy, like for the next 2 hours. So I like getting the matcha one just because it gives me that like caffeine kick that I need, but I don't have to pee too much. So yeah, I'm terribly sorry for this horrible lighting, but this is how the drink looks. It literally has Mary Coffee on here. So it's the Starbucks Christmas cups, and yet it is 90 degrees in California. Absolutely insane, but honestly I'm not complaining because I actually like hot weather. So alright guys, with that being said, I'm gonna end this video right here. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I do when I do a physical detox. So like I said, the workout part of it, obviously most important, cutting out carbs, sugar, all that kind of stuff, getting more healthier foods that actually have nutrients in them. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. I'll see you guys for part 2 next week. I'm really excited for that because it's gonna be such a monumental moment. So yeah, stay tuned for the mental detox part of this challenge, and if you guys want to do this along with me, you're more than welcome to join. It's good, it's healthy, and we'll have fun together. So yeah, see you guys next week. Bye.